नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश होकर रहें। माई सेल्फ JV डॉक्टर अर्चना वर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Now, today will be continue the burn. Now, in this lecture, discuss the complication of burn. First is it is a charred, denatured, full thickness, deep burn with contracted dermis. Ischectomy incisor along with medial and lateral surface. Avoid bony prominence. Avoid tendons, nerve and major vessels. Contracture. Yes, complication is contracture. Disorganized over formation of compact collagen 3 times than normal. Causes hypertrophy scar, finally leading to contracture. Classification of contracture in mild, moderate, severe or extensive. Mild, inability to see ceiling. Moderate, flexion possible but not extension. Severe, fully contracted in flexor position with pull on lower lip. Extensive, mentosternal adhesion. Next, complication of contracture. First, atropine, disfigurement of face, macrostomia, hypertrophy scar and keloid formation, mausolean ulcer formation. Now, treatment of contracture. Jade plasty. First, treatment of jade plasty, random cutaneous flap, microvascular free flaps, faciocutaneous flap, physiotherapy and pressure garments. Next is chemical burn. First in chemical burn, acids first protein injured by hydrolysis. Thermal injuries made with skin contact. Second is alkaline. Sponification of fat. Hygroscopic effect. Dehydrated cells dissolve protein by creation of alkaline proteinuria. Treatment: late neutralize with antidote done by 0.2 acetic acid in alkaline burn, sodium bicarbonate or calcium gluconate for acid burn. Now next, इलेक्ट्रिक बर्न हुआ तो क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो सकते हैं, क्या ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है. तो ग्रेट हीट अकर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ रेजिडेंट दैट इज एट द intrinsic and exit wound. Dry skin is equal to greater resistance. Wet skin less resident. ड्राई स्किन है तो ग्रेटर रेजिडेंस होगा, वेट स्किन है तो लेस रेजिडेंस. Longer the contact, the greater and potential of injury. Smaller the point of contact, the more concentrated the energy, the greater the injury. Treatment: assist the entrance and exit wound, remove clothing, jewelry and leather items. Treat any visible injury. तो अगर पेशेंट को इलेक्ट्रिक बर्न हुआ है तो पेशेंट में दो कंडीशन होती है, ड्राई स्किन एंड वेट स्किन. तो ड्राई स्किन में तो क्या होता है, ग्रेटर रेजिडेंस होता है और वेट स्किन में लेस रेजिडेंस होता है. अगर इनका ट्रीटमेंट देखें तो फर्स्ट जो भी पेशेंट ने उसका जो भी क्लॉथ है, ज्वेलरी या लेदर आइटम जो भी पेशेंट ने वेयर कर रखा है उसको अपन रिमूव करेंगे और जो अपने को विजिबल इंजरीज होगा उसको अपन ट्रीट करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, रेडिएशन बर्न. Local burn causing ulceration need incision and vascularized flap cover, usually with free flaps. Systemic overdose need suppurative treatment. The damage is more difficult to define and slower to develop than burn. Acute frostbite need rapid rewarming than observation. Delayed surgery until demarcation is clear. Now, cold one. The damage is more difficult to define the shower to develop than burn. Acute frostbite need rapid rewarming than observation. Delay surgery until demarcation is clear. This session, now in this lecture, complete the complication and treatment of burns. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.